How to fix the Walmart career website not working. If you are interested, let's start the tutorial. To fix the Walmart career website on your browser, there are a few things you need to check. First thing, check your internet connection. Sometimes having a poor or unstable internet connection can cause the Walmart career website to malfunction. Open a new tab in your browser and type speed test. Click on Run Speed Test. Then make sure both download and upload speed are stable and fast. If you notice fluctuations, consider switching to a different network, such as switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or using an internet cable on your laptop or PC. Number 2. Turn off VPN. If you are using a VPN on your PC, make sure to turn it off. This includes any browser extension that use a VPN. After turning off the VPN, check if this solves the issue. Number 3. Clear your browser cache and history. To do this, go to the top right of your screen. Click on the three-dot icon, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure everything is selected. Optionally, you can also select browsing history and download history. It is advisable to choose a time range such as the last 4 weeks or even all time. Note that this will log you out from all your accounts, so make sure you know your password before doing this. After clearing the data, check the website again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with the Walmart career website.